Let's take the Grom out. It's been a while. See if it still turns on. There we go. Oh yeah. It turns on. It feels, now it feels so small compared to the giant MT-09. Get a quick little coffee run. I'm leaning forward, expecting a big old pull. Riding the bike right now, going to 60 in 5th gear. Let's go. Topped out. Oh, this feels like a toy. I mean, it's always been a toy, but it feels even more like a toy now after riding the MT-09. You get that blipping done though. Shoot. Gears. 5th gear, top out, 65 miles an hour going downhill. Well, to 50, but slow down. The Grom speeding, you know. Anyway, I just wanted to get out for a second and get a coffee this morning. I haven't had a coffee in like about 2 weeks. Alright, so let's get a coffee and get the cobwebs off of this bike. Just a quick little ride to the coffee shop, you know. Let's go, Grom. It's so funny. $1,635 miles on this little Grom. It's so hard to put miles on this because you're not going long distances, you know. When I ride it, I don't usually go long distances, so the mileage on it doesn't go up too fast, too much. I'm trying to learn I've been trying to practice my downshifting or blip shifting. We're definitely going to split this lane. Look at this. Jeez. Power of the Grom compels you. Thank you, sir. Look at this. The power of the Grom. The power of the Grom. It's not just the Grom, it's like any bike really. Let's see. Split lane. Yeah, right, the Grom feels a little too funny. It's like a little joke or something. I don't know. It's hard to explain. It's funny. It's so little. Alright, let's get a picture of the Grom. Alright, had my coffee. Tastes so good. I like to sit down and have the coffee in a ceramic cup, not the paper cup. And I like to just sit there and enjoy it. I get on my phone sometimes, but mostly just sit around and watch people. I like people watching. It's a cool activity. Everybody's got their own issues, their own goals, their own setbacks, and they're all going through something, you know? Everybody's going through something. Everybody's going through something. So when you take the time to think about those kind of things, I think it makes you a little bit more patient with people. Just to remember that everybody's got their own personal battles they're going through. And because of that, sometimes you might interact with somebody and they're not their best because they have some worry or some issue, you know? Anyway, there you go. There's some coffee wisdom for you. Are we gonna get to the front? Oh yes, we are. Oh yes, we are. Oh. How's it going? It's beautiful, dude. It's a beautiful bike.
Thank you.
I just got an MT-09.
It's very fun, yeah.
Yeah.
How are those?
They're fun, but like just for local stuff.
Yeah, yeah.
I got an MT-09 a couple weeks ago.
Fuck yeah.
I'm waiting for the ECU to get shipped back, but that thing is awesome.
Yeah, it's like...
But this is good for like parking lot drills.
Yeah.
It's cool. I love the style of that bike though. It's so beautiful.
I lucked out. I bought it used and it already had the pipes on it.
Oh, nice, dude.
But Ducatis, they growl. They're good.
Yeah.
So, nice meeting you.
Have nice to see you. Have a good one. That's cool. Sounds so good. Let's go, bro! That's cool. Oh, it feels so good. The wind. Like the Grom. Is way more relaxed seating position, like you're in a chair, you know, compared to the MT-09, but the MT-09 is still pretty relaxed. I love the MT-09, but that Ducati was so beautiful. Awesome color. The pipe sounded freaking awesome. It's like a dual Active Provac exhaust or something. Very cool. Yeah, this bike is definitely louder than the MT-09. This is where it gets kind of hairy because you gotta remember how fast the thing can accelerate. Like I would that guy stop there. The Grom doesn't accelerate as fast as the MT-09, so it's you gotta time it right, because if you go for it thinking you're gonna make it on this thing, you probably won't make it compared to the MT-09. Anyway, so as I was saying, yeah, you never know what people are going through before you have an interaction with them. So I like to give people the benefit of the doubt, you know, like it's not personal. They probably weren't being rude to me because of me. They're just having a bad day, you know. I guess that's a little coffee run wisdom. If you guys want more coffee run wisdom, let me know. I'll make more videos like this with just life advice. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Coffee Ride Wisdom, the Grom version. If you guys have any topics you'd like me to talk about, please put it in the comments. Otherwise, go watch this video next. It's a good one. I think you're going to enjoy it. I'll see you over there.